Welcome to Michelle's Life on Repeat. I am having an outdoor kind of day, enjoying the green. There's so many shades of green here in the Pacific Northwest that it refreshes my soul. I have been in an odd season, and I just have been repeating a few things over and over, and one is a worship album that I just love. Rita Springer sings in her album Effortless songs that really touch my soul in this season of hardness that I am going through. And it reminded me to come outside, to see the beauty, to touch the trees, touch the green, see that berries are beginning to form on blueberry bushes, to see that, you know, I can do my part, and then I just have to rest in the rest of what may happen in life. So I encourage you today, if you are having a struggle in your soul, a struggle in your emotions, a struggle in your body, to take time and embrace those struggles, feel them for all that they are worth, get in touch with yourself, get in touch with your higher being, get in touch with nature, and know that you're not alone. I encourage you to touch something living today, and remember and breathe and get through it one step at a time. I love you all. I thank you. Until we talk again, thank you for being one of my new friends.